him out of the newsroom.
Ooh, a TV studio.
I always thought we'd make a great reality TV show.
Chance White dies at the hands of super sexpot mercenary. Story at 11. Oh, that sounded like bone.
If I touch you, do you not bleed?
Step up! Step up! Remember your training!
I need theme music.
Hear the music.
Bring out the heavy firepower! Stop this freak!
Ooh, nasty slide. Should've used the 5-eye.
Imbecile spawn! Kill him!
I aim because I care.
What, mustard with that?
Hey, jerk off! Get me a coffee on your way up, huh? I'll be waiting. Got you now, dead.
Smoke. But it'll be harder for you to see how awesome I am.
Heads up, they're covering it from the catwalk.
Is it smoking out the other side? I can't tell. Get away!
Charge set! Fire!
Two extra slices for just $9.99.
Guard that exit! Don't let him escape or you're all dead men!
What do you think? Sharp, right? You're gonna want to have time to take a look at that. Yancy. They're trying their best. Got a gadget, I'm awesome. Look at me when I'm talking to you.
Because you shits can't do your job, I'm calling in my serious backup. Stall Deadpool until they get here. You think you're big time, Deadpool? You ain't shit. I've got dangerous friends. People who will end you. You're out of your league now.
Given the caliber of the guys you're throwing at me now, you'll have to forgive my skepticism. 2 extra slices for just $9.99.
Didn't you send me an audition tape once? And didn't it suck ass?
Catch!
You know what the best part is? You actually think you'll make it. When you die, try to make it look good. I might just put it on the air.
See these? These are bullets. I need these. You want mustard with that? Ooh, nasty slime. Should have used the buyback.
Is anyone there? Come in. Did you kill him? I repeat, is the intruder dead? Over!
So, where do we go from here?
Only one way to go. Up.
So, where do we go from here?
Only one way to go. Up.
The intruder's on the roof. Send all available units to the rooftop.
Wow, I can see my house from here.
Should we be playing with these things?
Yeah, the designer wouldn't have put them here if they weren't supposed to be played with.
Good point.
Holy shit! Someone could get hurt on this thing. Here we go. Didn't see that coming, did you?